So I just came across this concept called DeepResearchAgent. Apparently, it's a multi-agent system that can do deep research.
Wait, really? A multi-agent system, so like multiple AIs working together. That's fascinating.
Exactly, it has a top-level planning agent that coordinates these different AIs to tackle complex problems. But I wonder how effective it really is.
Right? I mean, you'd think having multiple agents could create overlaps or even conflict. How do they resolve that?
Good question. The system supposedly has a hierarchical structure to prioritize tasks and streamline collaboration. Makes sense, but there's still room for confusion.
For sure, it's like trying to manage a big group project. There's always that one person who goes rogue with their ideas.
Haha, totally, but think about it. If these agents don't align well, the whole system's efficacy could suffer. Is it really as smart as we think?
That's interesting. I wonder if the precision of output diminishes if some agents are more dominant than others, like a bias in the decision-making.
Exactly, there's also the challenge of adapting to new information. If one agent makes a mistake, does that throw off the whole operation?
Definitely. It reminds me of how our brains work sometimes, right? If we focus too much on one idea, we might miss other perspectives.
Exactly, but wouldn't it be cool if the agents could learn from each other's mistakes? Like a self-correcting team adjusting in real time.
I'd love to think they could, but how do we measure that adaptability? It sounds complex and the evidence could be mixed.
True, it's a difficult metric, but it raises a question: can we really trust AI systems to self-improve without human intervention?
That's a big assumption, isn't it? Like saying a child will learn better if just left to their own devices. There are risks.
Exactly, and if we mix that with the potential for ethical concerns, like whose responsibility is it when things go wrong?
Right? If the AI makes a decision that harms someone, do we blame the programmers, the users, or the AI itself? It's a can of worms.
It really is, and then there's the issue of transparency. How do we know what these AIs are doing behind the scenes?
Exactly. Imagine relying on a system where the rationale isn't clear. It's kind of like trusting a black box to deliver reliable results.
I mean, we need that clarity to ensure accountability. If something goes south, how do we even troubleshoot it?
And the learning algorithms involved, are they even considering ethical implications? That's a huge concern going forward.
Right, it's critical for the system to integrate ethical frameworks into its learning process. Otherwise, what's the point?
Totally. I wonder if there's an ongoing dialogue between ethicists and developers to shape these systems.
I hope so, but also, is it enough? Ethics are so nuanced. Can AIs even grasp that complexity?
That's an uphill battle, isn't it? It's like expecting a toddler to understand the intricacies of moral philosophy.
Exactly. We might be oversimplifying by assuming AI can understand human values without extensive training and guidance.
That makes me think, what kind of training data sets are these systems using? We could be unintentionally embedding biases.
For sure, data quality is crucial here. If the input is flawed, the output will be even more problematic.
Imagine developing a system that actually improves collaboration and understanding, though. The potential could be amazing.
Absolutely, if it all aligns well, it could revolutionize research and problem solving, but it won't be easy.
So, we're in a space where it's equally thrilling and daunting, figuring out how to balance the technology with humanity.
Yes, and it's not just about the tech, it's about how we as a society approach these innovations. That's what's key.
So true, let's keep questioning and exploring. There's so much still to unpack with AI in our lives.
Absolutely, I'm excited to see how this conversation evolves. There's always more to dig into.